Hello, in this video we're gonna check the size of a Whirlpool oven. And to do this we'll be measuring it from all of the sides, so we're gonna check the width, length and height. So we need to take our measurement tool, and then when it comes to the length it's 59 centimeters and 7 millimeters. When it comes to the width, it's exactly 59 centimeters. And the height, keep in mind that you can adjust the height with the legs, but right now it's at 58 centimeters. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.